How to pay Uber Eats with gift card. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Uber Eats. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, head over to your profile at the top left corner and then move into Wallet. Inside Wallet, click on Add Payment Method or Redeem Gift Card. Once again, click on Gift Card. Well, it will redirect you to this page. Here it says PIN or gift code. You simply have to enter your gift card number that is given to you. Once you have entered, you need to click on Apply. After that, your gift card will be added to Uber Eats. Whenever you try to buy something from Uber Eats, at the time of the checkout or the payment, you need to choose your gift card as the payment method and then pay the amount that is given to you of your product. That way your gift card will be used. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to pay Uber Eats with gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.